Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Disney Plus Hotstar is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Search for the application and then click on the forward pointing arrow associated with it. Click on Run as Administrator and see if it is helping. The next thing is that if this doesn't help, then you can search for it again. Click on App Settings in the right pane. Scroll down, click on Terminate, click on Repair and let it repair and get a tick mark here. Then click on Reset and then reset once again. If this doesn't help, then straight away uninstall it. And then you can search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store and then search for Disney Plus once again. Go to the app and install it on your system once again. That's it. It will fix the problem for sure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.